Want to secure your Lorex NVR? Changing your password regularly is key. As of September 2025, here's how to do it. First, access your NVR's interface through a web browser by typing the NVR's IP address, like 192.168.1.100, or use the Lorex Home app on your mobile device. Make sure you're on the same network as your NVR. Log in with your current username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for System, then User Management. Here, you'll see a list of accounts: Admin for full control or User for limited access. Select the account you want to update. You'll then see fields to enter your new password. Type it in carefully and confirm it in the second field. Remember, the latest firmware requires passwords to be at least 12 characters long, using a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Finally, save your changes. The NVR might need to reboot for the changes to take effect. And that's it. Your password is now updated. Why is changing your password so important? Well, weak or default passwords are a major security risk. Experts estimate that they contribute to over 80% of data breaches. For Lorex NVRs, using strong, unique passwords prevents unauthorized access, especially with rising cyber threats targeting IoT devices. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, via email or the Lorex app if your NVR supports it. This adds an extra layer of security. Also, avoid reusing passwords from other accounts. Use a password manager to generate and store strong, unique passwords. Another crucial step is to keep your Lorex NVR's firmware up to date. Lorex regularly releases updates that patch security vulnerabilities. For instance, a 2023 vulnerability allowed password resets via unprotected API endpoints on older firmware. Finally, consider network security. Isolate your NVR on a separate VLAN to prevent attackers from moving laterally across your home network. By following these tips, you'll significantly improve the security of your Lorex NVR and protect your surveillance system from potential breaches.